Welcome back to MEME means Make Math Easy. Today I will take continue limit of exponential functions. In the previous topic, I have taken the solution of some questions. After that I will take continue. Find the limit 15 raised to x minus 5 raised to x minus 3 raised to x plus 1 by x into sin x as x tends to 0. We see that this is the form of exponential functions, and the main formula of that is limit x tends to 0 a raised to x minus 1 by x is equal to log of a, and with the help of this formula we can find this. Therefore, first 15 change into 3 into 5. Therefore, we write as limit x tends to 0 3 into 5 raised to x minus 5 raised to x minus 3 raised to x plus 1, and there will be denominator x into sin x. This change into 3 raised to x into 5 raised to x, and after taking common 5 raised to x from here, therefore it will be limit x tends to 0. There will be 3 raised to x into 5 raised to x minus 5 raised to x minus 3 raised to x plus 1, and there will be x into sin x. Take common from this and this, 5 raised to x, therefore limit will be x tends to 0, 5 raised to x, there will be 3 raised to x and minus 1. Take common minus 1 here, there will be 3 raised to x minus 1, and after that it will be x into sin x. Take common 3 raised to x minus 1 common, there will be limit x tends to 0, 3 raised to x minus 1, and after that it will be 5 raised to x minus 1 and x sin x. If both numerator and denominator divided by x square, therefore limit x tends to 0, 3 raised to x minus 1 upon x and into 5 raised to x minus 1 upon x and divided by this, x cancel and it will be sin x by x. Find the separate limit of numerator and denominator. There will be from here, this is the form of this, their limit of this will be log 3 into, there will be log 5 and upon, there will be sin x by x 1. Therefore answer will be log 3 into log 5. It is your limit of this function. Next question is that find the limit of a raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x minus 3 upon 10x. This is the form of exponential function, therefore change into the formula form. Therefore we can write it x tends to 0 a raised to x minus 1 and minus 1 minus 3 change into minus 1 plus minus 1 plus minus 1, there will be a raised to x minus 1 and plus b raised to x minus 1 plus c raised to x minus 1, and after that write 10 x. Therefore it will be this form also. If both numerator and denominator divide by x, therefore limit x tends to 0, there will be a raised to x minus 1 plus b raised to x minus 1 plus c raised to x minus 1 divided by x, and after that this will be tan x by x. And I want to find the limit of both numerator and denominator. Therefore, this will be changed into this form, limit x tends to 0, x divide this, therefore a raised to x minus 1 by x plus limit x tends to 0, b raised to x minus 1 by x plus limit x tends to 0, c raised to x minus 1 by x, and limit of this x tends to 0, tan x by x. After that, write here answer. This is the form of a raised to x minus 1 by x. There will be limit log a plus log b and plus log c, and there will be 1. Log a plus log b plus log c we can write as log a b c. Therefore, log a b c is the limit of this function. Hence, today's topic finish. I will take continue limit of logarithmic function. Therefore, keep watching continue my channel. If you are new in my channel, subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you for watching.